Section
watch out, bird.
Contact Sanford Tower 135.25. Good day.
Everybody good? Yes, sir. Prattville, Groovy Field traffic, Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha, departing runway 9, Prattville. And Prattville traffic, Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha, departing the pattern to the south. Montgomery approach, Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha.
November 3288 Charlie, contact Cairns approach 121.1. November 3288 Charlie, contact Cairns approach 121.1. Piper calling approach, say again.
Yes, sir, it's Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha, just departed Prattville, looking for an IFR to X-ray 23.
Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha, squawk 5734.
5734, 40 Charlie Alpha.
November 40 Charlie Alpha, radar contact 1 mile south of Prattville Airport. We cleared to X-ray 23 as filed, climb maintain 10,000. Flight heading a 180 vector climb.
40 Charlie Alpha is cleared to X-ray 23 as filed, leaving 2,000 for 10,000, heading 180, 40 Charlie Alpha.
Welcome back aboard. Headed home. Should be about 2 hours by the time we get everything worked out.
7 contact Birmingham approach to 123.8. Here's 43 Charlie Delta, contact Birmingham approach 123.8.
Charlie Delta contacting 23.8. Not really any weather yet, though that may change as the afternoon progresses.
November 9058 Hotel Charlie, Montgomery approach for ground temperature 3008. 40 Charlie Alpha, turn left direct Bambi.
Direct Bambi now, 40 Charlie Alpha.
Take 423, descend and maintain 2000. 40 Charlie Alpha, contact Atlanta Center 120.55 today.
12055, thanks for the help, 0 Charlie Alpha. Hello, Atlanta Center, Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha, level 10,000.
40 Charlie Alpha, Atlanta Center, climb maintain 11,000, Montgomery altimeter 3008.
3008 up to 11,000, 40 Charlie Alpha.
Pride 88, contact Memphis Center 120.8. Number 500 Alpha Alpha, contact Atlanta Center 120.45.
That's a good looking day to go for a flight for a little while. Sure, we'll have some afternoon storms to contend with. The next little while, it looks pretty outside. We've been in the air for about an hour. We got about an hour left. Doing 220 mile an hour across the ground, getting a airspeed of 180 knots. Pretty nice little flight so far. Pretty good outside too.
Welcome to Florida.
Welcome to Florida. We're about 23 minutes out. We're slowly starting to descend down. Got a little weather that we may have to contend with. Just looks like little afternoon showers. Got the radar on. We're watching over here. We have to do a little
70, that's going to maintain 4,000.
deviation to the right to avoid it down towards Ocala. Keep an eye on it, see what happens.
Everybody's got seatbelts fastened, might have a little turbulence.
Got to slow the plane down a little bit to contend with that while we're in the descent, so.
Good news is we got plenty of fuel if we got to go somewhere else or want to do something else.
Yeah. So Leesburg looks clear. Of course, Umatilla looks clear too.
5, peak gusts 2-1. Visibility 1.
Windy on the ground.
Sky condition clear. Temperature 30 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 3001. Remarks. Density altitude 1,800.
Leesburg Regional Airport, Leesburg, Florida.
Automated weather observation 2057 Zulu. Wind 060 at 15. Peak gusts 2-1. Visibility 10.
Of course, it's always a crosswind landing.
Yep.
40 Charlie Alpha, just going to maintain 7,000.
Down to 7,000 for 0 Charlie Alpha. We may need a right deviation a few miles.
Just let me know.
Restricted airbase is open.
Jack's approach, Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha, got a question.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Restricted area to the north and north of Umatilla. Is that hot or cold tonight?
You got to give me the number. Restricted 2910 is hot up 23,000.
Yeah, 2910. Okay, no problem. We'd like to go ahead and take about 10 degrees right now for 40 Charlie Alpha.
40 Charlie Alpha, roger, deviation, right of course approved, 1 able to proceed direct leasing.
Right approved, direct lease, human able, 40 Charlie Alpha.
They got live bombs. They got a carrier group off the coast right now that they're supporting.
Oh, that's right, I saw that. They are doing bombing this weekend.
Yeah, no problem. I'm glad they're there.
If it had been cold, we could have scooted to the left around this buildup that's kind of in front of us, but
that way, but now we're going to go this way.
yeah, not a big deal.
Looks like it's not too bad, though. I think we might be able to get underneath it.
Yeah, if we get it, we'll probably get underneath it. But you always evaluate.
And for Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha, if we could go southward a little bit to get on the other side of this stuff, I think that'd be better for us.
40 Charlie Alpha, that's fine. Just continue present heading. We'll make a turn towards X-ray 23 here in about 15 miles.
0 Charlie Alpha, appreciate help.
November 40 Charlie Alpha, we can start down whenever you'd like. I don't know what the weather looks like out there, reference stations and stuff.
0 Charlie Alpha, we'll take lower whenever it's available.
Okay, November 40 Charlie Alpha, send to maintain 5,000.
Down to 5,000, 40 Charlie Alpha.
40 Charlie Alpha, I'm showing about beam inverness. We'll make a turn direct to field. That'll keep you south of that precip station.
I concur, 40 Charlie Alpha, thanks.
Auto 651 Papa Bravo Jackson approach, hotel altimeter 3004, advise Atis Hotel, expect a visual approach runway 36, gonna maintain 7,000.
Looks clear over there now.
Papa Bravo, roger, I had another aircraft say that as well. I'll get the tower call, see if they do something about that. If not, I'll read it to you here in a second.
Enter 6 Fox Alpha has a field to site.
Number 40 Charlie Alpha, going to maintain 3,000.
Down to 3,000 now, 0 Charlie Alpha, thanks.
Minus 1 Papa Bravo, just going to maintain 5,000. November 40 Charlie Alpha, contact Orlando approach 135.3, just advise direct X-ray 23.
135.3, we'll let them know, appreciate your help, 40 Charlie Alpha. Hello, Orlando approach, Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha, 4.5 for 3,000, and deviating right of course, direct Umatilla when able.
November 40 Charlie Alpha, line approach roger, no runway or landing information available over at the Umatilla Airport. Orlando altimeter 3001, expect a visual approach.
3001, we should be able to cancel with you in just a few minutes, 40 Charlie Alpha.
40 Charlie Alpha, roger. Connection
watch out, bird.
Contact Sanford Tower 135.25, good day.
What are they doing hanging out in the middle of this storm? In the middle of a cloud, wow. Alright. Looks beautiful to me.
At 40 Charlie Alpha, I'd like to go ahead and cancel IFR, sir, field site.
November 40 Charlie Alpha, line approach roger, IFR cancellation is received. Would you like flight following?
Oh, that'd be great for about another 5 miles or so, 40 Charlie Alpha.
0 Charlie Alpha, roger.
Alright, we're going to have a strong crosswind out of the right, landing on runway 01.
Connection 697, contact tower 120.3.
20.3, connection 697.
Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha, cancel flight following and change advisory, please.
0 Charlie Alpha, roger, radar service is terminated, no observed traffic in the area, and change advisory frequency is approved. Good day.
40 Charlie Alpha, appreciate that.
Now we established on 9 right, connected.
Umatilla traffic, Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha, 7 miles to the west, entering left traffic, runway 01, in about 1 minute, Umatilla. Alright, what's the winds again? Gusting to 20.
Sky condition clear. Temperature 31 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 3002. Remarks. Density altitude 1,800.
Leesburg Regional Airport, Leesburg, Florida.
Automated weather observation 2123 Zulu. Wind 070 at 10. Peak gusts 19er. Visibility 1.
Almost direct crosswind, just barely favoring runway 01. 60 degrees. Alright, leveling off here. Fuel pumps on, air conditioner to fan, mixture's rich. Props are going up. Umatilla traffic, Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha is on a 4-mile left base, runway 01, Umatilla.
Flanders traffic, helicopter 474 is a half a mile south, landing 36 Flanders. Take a...
Gear coming down. 3 green lights, 1 in the mirror. Umatilla traffic, Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha is over the citrus plant, left base, runway 01, Umatilla. No traffic observed on ADSB. Full flaps. Umatilla traffic, Piper Navajo 40 Charlie Alpha is turning final, runway 01, Umatilla.
Wind shock showing a little bit more down the runway, so.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad here.
No.
I mean, I guess it could get better, but I'm not sure it could get much better. Pretty good.
Crowd goes wild.
Umatilla traffic, Navajo 0 Charlie Alpha is cleared. Runway 01, Umatilla.
Welcome back to Umatilla. Nice little flight. Had some mid-end playing with the weather, but nothing too bad. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and look for you for the next one to go on.
Probably almost go over the top of this bug.